Porridge, man. What kind of porridge you have?
In a porridge, a peanut, a banana, and black. Show you know what?
Get that cup there, please. What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another Driving Through Jamaica.
Sunshine, I've been waiting.
Today's journey will take us throughout a section of the town of Ocho Rios.
Why you playing?
It's just after 8 a.m. and as you can see, the weather is beautiful. I'm currently parked inside the Ocean Village shopping center, and I'm about to make my way onto Main Street and take you guys for a little drive around the town of Ocho Rios. I'm going to be starting with some background music, but not to worry, after this song, I'm bringing you the natural sounds from the street. So, journey with me while I make this drive, and as usual guys, I hope you enjoy.
Forever and now, I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call, wanna give you my heart, so I might talk all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing the tension, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. Wanna give you my heart, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now.
So it's a little bit after 8:30 right now, AM in the morning, and it's not much happening here, not much hustle and bustle. I don't know if the places in Ochi open at 10 or so, why you don't have much people, but it's not like Kingston where you have like right now in Kingston, if you were working or if you were from like Spanish Town, Portmore, if you have a job and you are still at your bus stop right now in those places, those cities, you'd be late for work. Yeah, more than likely you'd be late for work, because in Kingston most of these places is like the time to open is 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. so yeah. But I'm not sure why, you know, maybe the place is open probably at 9 or so, or 10 here. Well, not even 9, but maybe 10, 10:30. Yeah. So yeah, as stated in the description and at the beginning of the video, we are in the town of Ocho Rios. I think you have a few hotels close by this stretch, on this stretch. I think it was Sandals, I think. Hopefully I'm not mistaken. Yeah. I think you do. Yeah, that's a Sandals Ochi. Yep, beach resort. Yeah, and there's another one across the street as well. This is Sandals, Ocho Rios. Sandals Royal Plantation. As you know, Irie FM, Roots Rockin' Radio is close by. Yeah. I think it's behind me.
just located on Main Street, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Open every day. WhatsApp or call 876-994-5934 and 876-861-6887. Milestone Restaurant Sports Bar and Grill. Celebrate good food. Celebrate good vibes.
Get your free copy of the Jamaica Observer Summer Cuisine Cookbook in the Daily Observer Thursday, June 30th. Go from a family barbecue to drinks with friends with a flip of a page and fun, quick meals for kids. The Summer Cuisine Cookbook has recipes for all. It's a 56-page culinary guide to make your summer meals sizzle. Available only in the Daily Observer on June 30th. Jamaica Observer, always ahead.
Pizza Hut with the saucy again, best of 4 worlds, 4 different toppings. So delicious, everybody asking for amazing food this way.
The amazing 4 pizza from Pizza Hut. Your 4 favorite pizzas in one. Order at 876-7554-HUT. For call and collect orders, you go out for delivery. Also available in Barbie only at Pizza Hut.
Number one, the Ramushet Morning Show. On Edge 105 FM.
Big up to your Pizza Hut. It's 8:39 a.m. now. 8:39 a.m. All right. So you remember the other day we're telling you that if you know a good father, if you're a good father, actually sandals to the luxury brand Beaches. Just thinking about giving you a weekend for a family of 4 at Beaches. You just pick the Beaches and you're there. So we've gone through the inches, right, Nikki? We've gone through all the inches now.
We've gone through all the entries.
Where are we now?
We have a strong 5 persons, 5 dads.
All right, so we have 5 fathers who are hoping to be the daddy that will go to Beaches.
That's right.
All right. So the Beaches results waiting for you, daddy. So we have 5 people and we have an interview coming up short. So we'll tell you who the 5 daddies are in the showdown.
That's right.
And the winning daddy gone to Beaches with a family of 4.
Will be announced tomorrow.
All right, daddy. Stick it here on the edge. 1-5, daddy. This is Anthony B.
Alright, we turned the radio down because of the music. What? Ball game playing over there? On Thursday morning? Not bad. So I think around here is the bus park. Around here, let's see. Yeah, it looks to be bus park around here. Not much going on in the town of Ocho Rios right now, to be honest. It's kinda a little bit slow in the town of Ochi right now. Not much hustle and bustle. Jamaica, famous for potholes. Turn around here. There's a guy that sells porridge somewhere off here. Maybe porridge done or maybe not, because nobody is even out right now. So porridge should even done right now. I sells porridge. Porridge, man! What kind of porridge you have?
In a porridge, a peanut, a banana, and black. Show you now what?
You get a cup there, please. Just grabbing a porridge, you know? Jamaica, this style.
Alright, bro, stop, baby. Bro, stop, girl.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, man. I meet them one day. Says he has peanut, banana, and plantain mixed together. 3 in 1. Yes, fireman, manners.
I'm not cover in a bad boy. That's why you see me put in a bag and file.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Respect for that, man.
Run.
Alright, respect here.
Respect, yeah.
Bless up. Yeah, Rastaman sort out the porridge proper. I'm gonna show it to you guys in a few minutes. Show you my porridge in a few.
8:45 a.m.
All right. Thanks, good buddy Maureen. So we told you about a soulful dad, and if you know, if you don't know his father, well, he had up until yesterday, right? Make it to send in a voice note to tell us about this great father.
But a little message.
Oh, a letter, yeah. I'm so hooked on his voice note stuff, but we got letters from people nominating fathers to be the winner of our Soulful Dad competition here.
That's right.
On the morning show. So it was brought to you in association with Sandals and their luxury family brand, Beaches. So we're going to talk to now Ms. Janice Palmer, and she's public relations manager at Sandals. Yeah, which one of them? It's all right. How are you, Ms. Palmer? Good morning. We got her in line? All right. Nikki's trying to make sure that we get that corrected. We're going to get her in a second. All right. Until we do that, let's check out a few voice notes that just came in. How are you? Good morning.
Well, run my shirt.
Yeah.
I'm in a place called Retreat in St. Thomas.
Retreat.
You have license, then Retreat.
Oh, yes,
right?
my boss. Yeah.
So right now in Retreat, I live on the housing scheme, very quiet. You can drop a pin there and you hear it.
What?
No noise, no truck on the road to run up and down and
Dust up the place.
vehicle and all of that. You have to go on the main road to hear all the excitement. But where I'm at, it's very quiet, very nice, humble and everything.
All right.
See persons passing by, going to work, coming from work and all of that.
Business are going.
But where I'm living in St. Thomas, it's very nice. Retreat.
Retreat.
I pick up all Retreat. Massive.
All right.
Run my shirt. Good morning.
Good morning.
The junction. My God, this is a cat from bus.
We're in the junction.
Why do we have no road around the junction?
Fix the road around the junction.
I tell you. I mean, I'm coming around the junction for more than 45 minutes now.
Around the junction. Oh, St. Andrew, don't you? I'm not sure they fix the junction road long time, man. It's a Keta going. Alright, let's talk to let's get our representative from Sandals, Miss Janice. Miss Palmer, how are you? Good morning. Welcome to the show.
Hi, good morning, Ron. Hi, Ricky. So good to be here.
Alright, so you're a PR manager for where? Sandals Monticle or just SRI?
SRI.
The PR. Okay. Well, big everybody at SRI. If I don't come over there to check you sometimes, I always use a gate to turn. You know, like when I go out there? Sandals. SRI. Well, I'm calling you today to thank you for being a part of our morning show and helping us to send a nice dad off to Beaches, your luxury brand.
Yes, luxury family.
Luxury family brand. Right. So why did you decide to team with Ed 105? Why you never really go for fire? You didn't say this was like 2 doors down?
No, Ron, we couldn't resist.
Okay.
You know.
So you had to come on board.
Yeah, we definitely did. So for us, where the idea came from, celebrate a soulful father. We think daddy, we think of instantly our brain goes to the provider. So the daddy who does the basic needs, the money, the food, the clothes, etc. But we believe that the soul dad also caters to the emotional needs.
The soul dad.
Yeah, man. So the psychological needs of the child, the social needs, the life skills.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you the porridge in a little bit.
So that's something we really wanted to acknowledge and to celebrate. Not just the dad who provides, give the money and ensure they are alright.
What the daddy really can talk to, you know what I mean? Motivate you.
Total well-being.
You can do it, Janice. I see you one day as a PR manager.
Yes, but daddy,
I see you, Janice. I see you. Soulful dad.
Where our minds were when we talk about just honoring, because they know that people have that like that.
Okay guys, I hope the AC is not that loud. But let me turn it off a little bit. Alright. So yeah, porridge man sort out the porridge, so this are the spoon and everything wrapped in the napkin. And he sort it out. Cover it down with foil paper and everything because he say he not have no cover. Yeah, the man say cover scarce right now. So yeah. So he say this a peanut mixed with banana and plantain. So see it smell good in a man. Smell good. So yeah, I porridge that because steam will come out of it. And if you can see it, yeah, I big up my porridge, man. I make it go on cool and thing. I'm gonna eat it, alright? So I'll go back on the road and now.
Soulful dad. So we have 5 dads selected, and I know Sandals and your luxury family brand. You do a lot for fathers. It's not just because it's Father's Day why you being so nice now, right?
No, sir.
Okay.
All the time for daddies.
Yeah. So daddies can count on Sandals brand.
Yeah.
All right, daddy. Big up yourself. So,
hey guys, if you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching and I really appreciate you, okay? By the way, before you go, leave a comment in the comment section. If it's even to say hi or hello, no need to be shy, alright? Talk to me in the comment section, guys. I will respond to you, alright? And until our next video, stay safe.